to do the spy challenge. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, I don't feel anything yet. Actually, I'm starting to feel it. I feel it now. I feel it. It makes me uncomfortable. Bro, I can't drink it because I keep smiling. Real. Okay. Alright, it's actually hurting my throat right now. Oh dang. Oh no. Oh no. I feel it. It's coming out. Oh dang! Oh, his head came off. Well, that's sad. R.I.P. Freddy. Oh my god. It hurts, but it also doesn't. Oh no. It's coming out. It's stuck in my stomach. Oh no. I told you. I'm done. I'm done. Oh my god. I'm done. That thing hurts. If you're thinking about trying this, do not try this, bro. It makes your stomach hurt. Even after you burped. Well, but it was funny though. Yeah. So, watch other people do it. Don't do it. Yeah. Okay? But watch us, alright? Yeah, watch other people do it, but don't do it, actually. So, we're back with another video, but we're doing Spy Challenge, but that was spread with Coke. Hello. And 3, 2, 1. Why do I keep smiling? That's weird. Okay. Mario feeling something? I don't feel anything so far. You already burped? Oh, I was just laughing because because that sound that you made. Oh wait, no, it's getting better. It's getting better. It's okay. Oh no. If you do this, it makes it better. Oh wow. Oh yeah, I feel way much better. Oh no. It's coming. Coming out. Pause. I don't think I'm gonna burp, not gonna lie. This is easy. Whoa! I don't think I'm gonna burp with this one. Okay. Oh no. Yeah, I'm gonna burp. Never mind. Oh, it hurt. Dang it. It's trying to come out. Pause. Oh, whoa. Oh, that was so close. That was so close. It's like right here. I feel it. It hurts. I still got more left. almost done. Oh, we gotta try making each other laugh so that we can burp. Oh. Yay! Yeah! I have so much energy. Oh my gosh. No, I was so close! Okay, I need to burp. My stomach. Dang it. Do I still have more? I'm done. So the Coke challenge completed, but the Coke challenge is more easier. Yeah, definitely better than Sprite. Not do this at home. Watch someone else do it and watch us more. Yeah, watch it. My Coke, you feel. So basically, that's it.